Welcome to the video. Hope you have a great day. If it is your first time on this channel is all about SAP tutorials, SAP training, SAP tips and tricks, and SAP related videos. And you will find videos on this channel in English, Urdu, Hindi. And if any of this might interest you, please go ahead and subscribe. My name is Syed. I've been in industry for quite some time. I have written some SAP books. They are available on Amazon. Links will be below, available in the description. And so we are talking about what is SAP end user. So let's understand what is SAP. SAP is the name of a ERP application which is based off of Germany, and they have their application called SAP, and also their company name is also SAP. So we will talk about SAP. There's a different versions available on SAP ERP, ECC R3. The latest version is SAP S4 HANA. So that is an introduction about SAP. So SAP is a ERP application in enterprise resource planning. So when we are talking about this video is about end users. So this is important to understand that in enterprise we have organization, a corporation, and we have resources and the planning. We are doing planning for this. So for example, logistics end users will be belong to plants, they belong to distribution channel, different activities they are doing in logistics side. Employees, finance might have different activities. Maybe they have two different department, 4 different, maybe 10 different users that are doing different activities. Account payable is different person, account receivable is different person. So that is all depends. Warehouse activities, they could have warehouse manager, warehouse picking person is different, and packing person is different. So all of those are relevant, or maybe one person have multiple roles. So in SAP we can see that there's a different areas: finance, logistics, and human resource. And within those areas we can see in finance there is different modules are available in that. Human resource, and logistics. So in logistics, procurement person could be different, sales person could be different. So we can see that this is SAP screen. And then in logistics, if I drop down up here, I can see sales and distribution, material management, warehouse management. Those are all different modules, and they will have different users based on that. So SAP end users are defined in different areas. So these are just few examples. SAP teams from a sales team could be one could be doing a sales order, a shipment, billing. So there could be a different quotation team in a corporation or in a company, or maybe the same person is doing quotation and sales order. That is up to the organization to define. So but the end user or business user could be as per the activities and the function and the roles they have in the organization. So that is depend on the organization, and SAP can adopt those function, and we can have different roles and assignment for the different transactions. So for example, quotation team is different, sales order entry could be different, or and then could be the sales department manager might have different functions and roles. Financial user, account receivable, account payable, as we have seen before. Logistics user, warehouse users, where they could have different activities as per their area. Procurement users, material management, so where they're creating purchase orders. One person could be doing a purchase acquisition, or all different functionalities. So master data team, so where in a company that maybe they have different vendor, maybe one person is creating vendors, one person creating customers. So it's all up to the company and how they decide to do this. So so we can take a look at SAP and see that how we have this up here. For example, and if I go to the logistics, in logistics I can see that there is a sales and distribution. And if I click up here in sales and distribution, I can see there's a master data, there's a sales. So inquiry, quotation, they have all different transactions for that. So maybe one person is doing contracts. So there are different function in sales, and I can see there's a shipment and transportation. There's a billing department, maybe there's a different person, or maybe this automated job. So all of this is depends in our organization and how they have used all the functions, or whatever functions they are doing as per their business requirement. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment and let us know if you want to see different videos. Thank you very much.